Okay, so what you're going to have for your full solution is, let me redraw that. What you're going to have for your full solution is a 0.34 about there, and your y-intercept is going to be up there at 0.13. This is going to be a bit of squash, but it'll be okay. Oops, misjudged that. So it's going to go like that. Obviously, not too bad. A wee bit squash, but it's okay. Right, example 3. Right, this is where we need to deal with a negative. Now, all that means is we have got a maximum. Okay, so it's going to look something like that. That's our shape. So if you get a negative, that means it's going to be a max. Right, same idea. So our turning point, number inside the bracket changes, 2. Number outside the bracket stays the same, 3. Okay, y-intercept, 0 minus, oops, let me do the correct form, sorry. 3 take away 0 minus 2 squared. That is 3 take away, well, negative 2 squared is 4. 3 take away 4 is negative 1. So we've got 0, negative 1. And again, if you draw that, x and y, 0, negative 1 is there. 2, 3 is there. And then the final picture is going to go a bit like that. And that's a much better parabola. So, okay, that is us drawing them. We're going to skip ahead. I'm going to leave that up there, 2016 for you. If you want to have a go at it, pause. I'm just going to put the final answer up with the marks. So, your turning point is 3, 1, mark 1. Your y-intercept is 0, 10, mark 2. And with that annotated, you get mark 3. So a bit, oops, a bit off there, like that, gets you 3 marks. Okay, right, now we are going to interpret these quadratic graphs. So a bit of the reverse. The standard equation is y equals x plus a squared plus b. And okay, but what did we do before? To get the turning point, we change the number inside the bracket. So I'm going to do that to put it back in. Y equals x minus 4 squared. The number outside stays the same, plus 2. Okay, example 2. Oh, sorry, a page of examples. Pause the video, go and go at these. They are all of the equation x, y equals x plus a squared plus b. So pause the video for me. Okay, this one is x minus 5 squared plus 1. This is x minus 2 squared plus 5. This one is x minus 6 squared. We don't need to put plus 0 there. Okay. This one here, x plus 3 squared plus 2. This one is x minus 7 squared minus 3. And lastly, we have got y equals x plus 2 squared minus 1. It does say the axis of symmetry. Remember, that is the x coordinate of the turning point. So the first one is x equals 5. That is x equals 2. That is x equals 6. This one here, x equals minus 3. This one here, x equals 7. This one here is x equals minus 2. Okay. So now we've got an upside down one. The form of this one is a wee bit different. The thing is, what we tend to put the number first, then take away the bracket. It's exactly the same thing. So we're going to write that down. Okay, and the thing to remember is the number inside, the x coordinate goes inside the bracket and changes sign. So we can write that, x minus 3 squared. The number outside is that number as it's written. And the axis of symmetry is x equals 3. Okay. more of wee practice questions. So if you want to have a go at this one, pause the video. So this is a past paper from 2015. Okay, what I would suggest in this one is writing the equation first. So we've got the form, and I would say, okay, the turning point going back in is x minus 2 squared, take away 4. And then it's a comparison job. A is minus 2. B is minus 4. So A is minus 2, B is minus 4, and you get a mark for each of those. Write down the equation of the axis of symmetry. Well, again, it is this vertical line, and it is the x coordinate at the turning point, x equals 2. Okay. Very similar. Have a wee go at that one. Okay. The axis of symmetry is x equals minus 3. The equation, y equals x plus 3 squared minus 4. And the coordinates of C, that is the y-intercept, so you're going to make x 0. So we've now got an equation 0 plus 3 squared minus 4. That is 9 minus 4, which is 5, so the coordinates are 0, 5. Okay. Have a wee look at this one. Pause the screen. Okay, state the coordinates of the minimum turning point of the parabola. Well, the number inside the bracket changes, the number outside the bracket stays the same. State the equation of the axis of symmetry. X coordinate of the turning point, x equals 3. A is the point 1, 0, state the coordinates B. Now, this is all about the axis of symmetry. Symmetrical, right down the middle there. So if that's 1, the turning point is 3, then there's a jump of 2. Okay, there's a jump of 2, so there must be a jump of 2 there. So the coordinate of B is 5, 0. Okay, it's still on the axis, so that's 1, 0. That would be 3, 0. So that must be 5, 0. Okay, last one. This is upside down, so it's a maximum. State the coordinates of the maximum turning point. Well, that's it there. The number inside the bracket is the x coordinate, change sign, 4. Number outside the bracket stays the same, 4, 20. And the axis of symmetry for that one, x equals